Hello guys, in this video, we will solve the problem of the absence of the Marketplace feature in the Facebook Shortcuts bar at the top. A simple method. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share the video. Now let's go to the explanation. The first step you do, my friend, is to go to your Facebook. Then you click on any icon. Press it for a long time until this interface pops up for you. Then you click on Customize the Shortcuts bar. Press and hold any icon here. If this interface does not appear, it is okay. Go to Facebook, then click on your profile icon. Then click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. After that, you go down. You will find a navigation bar. Click on the navigation bar, then search for the Marketplace feature and click on Hidden here. After that, you choose to install the Marketplace feature. After that, we go back and here you will find the Marketplace icon. It has been successfully retrieved and thus your problem has been solved. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. For any inquiries, problems or suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.